Okay. Hi, I'm back. Guinea Pig just got home from work. He's in the shower. We're in a new place. A lot's been going crazy. I'm going to try to do more videos, but here we go. I got some chicken. I'm going to put some milk on it with some spices. Put some coconut fat on it. Put it in here. Put it in the oven at 400 and cook it for a little bit. So this is what I'm doing. It's a little hard because I only have one hand right now to do it. And I don't want my phone all nasty. So, let's see if I can do this. Sorry guys. This might be a little choppy video. Hi you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you are subscribed, make sure you're still subscribed because YouTube's been doing weird things I've been told and taking people off of subscriptions and stuff. So if you were subscribed, just make sure you're still subscribed if you want to be. Thank you for liking us. Thank you for, waiting on us to come back. Life's being tough and crazy for us right now. Flip this over like that. Wash my hands up a little bit because I don't want no chicken germs on my hand when I open my spices. And then I'm using complete seasoning. I use the barbecue seasoning. You can see what I'm doing. Pop you up. How you guys doing? It's been a long time no see. Life's just been tough and hard on us, and we've been making hard decisions, and it's sad, but we're back, and hopefully we'll be back, and I'll be doing more videos and all that. Some stuff is personal, so please don't ask, because if I guinea pig don't think you guys need to know, you guys aren't going to find out. We will tell you guys what we feel like you guys need to know. And I hope that's okay, and I hope you guys understand that, and yeah. So, I put some spices on here. I'm going to get my hand and put some coconut flour on here. Just like this. And put it in my pan that I have over here. Roll it in the spices, roll it in the milk. Put the coconut flour on it. How you guys doing? Please leave a comment below if you guys want to see any videos of different cooking stuff. I'm going right now to wash my hands, get the yucky germs off of them, because you don't want chicken grease or chicken germs to spread on you. That's just not good. And then I'm going to rinse out my milky chicken bowl. Throw the rest of the milk down the drain that I had. Put this in my dishwasher. Yep, we have a dishwasher now in this new place. That's kind of nice. And then this I'm going to throw in my oven. 400. Bake, I'm going to say maybe 30 minutes, I'm not sure. I'll let you know, and I'll show you when it's done. Okay, and that's what we're going to have for dinner tonight. And a side. What side? I don't know yet. Let's decide that together. What should I make first side? I think I'm gonna make peas tonight for a side. Some peas, please. But I will be back when the chicken is done, and I'll show you what it looks like. Thank you for your time.